We are Kyle and Kat, and this is our packing video filmed on the first day of our new life of full-time travel.
We did it.
We're here.
Long travel day.
We're in South Africa.
We are in Cape Town, South Africa.
The coast is
Fishhook,
right there.
South Africa. It just got dark, so you can't see the beautiful view behind us.
You're gonna need to later though.
Yes, we will show you the view. We just got to Kate and John Stratton's house. This is her high school mentor's house. They moved to South Africa like 2 years ago. They brought us home and now they're currently making us dinner while we make this video. We're gonna have ostrich. And so, yeah, John is a foodie, so he loves to cook. So that's his love language. And we feel very blessed and we feel very rested. So we're staying here for about a week, but this is our first leg of our trip, of our who knows how long travel
Yeah, it's
journey.
really indefinite.
So if you want to know more about who we are, Kyle and Kat, there's an intro video that you can go watch, but this is really about what we brought with us. We're gonna unpack and we'll show you all the stuff that is in our current suitcase here when we start our South African adventure.
Good morning.
I'll go first. I have with me 2 pairs of jeans, pajamas, and 2 sweatpants. As far as shorts, I have 2 pairs of shorts, like normal everyday wear shorts, and then like 4 pairs of athletic shorts and 1 bathing suit. I didn't mean to have that many athletic shorts, but I got 2 for Christmas, so I'm going to wear some out and then throw them away. And then I've got 12 pairs of underwear. And then as far as shirts, I have 3 tank tops, 3 button-up short sleeve shirts, 5 t-shirts, my hiking boots / cold weather boots, my running shoes, dress shoes, and chacos for sandals. Oh, and then my flip-flops, which are double as like shower shoes for hostels and stuff. And then 2 hats, 8 pairs of like ankle socks, and 6 pairs of like dress socks that I like to wear anytime I have pants or jeans on, because I'm picky like that. And then in my 2 center folds, I have microfiber towel and like a cooling cloth and a little sewing kit. And then I've got some jewelry and a black tie here. And then extra bags and our laundry detergent. And then as far as cold weather gear, I have my puffy jacket, a thermal shirt and leather gloves, 2 beanies. I meant to only bring 1, but I brought 2 by accident. A nice scarf, long johns, wool socks. And then I have a rain jacket, a windbreaker, and like zip up hoodie. So that's all of my stuff in my suitcase.
My turn. I have 21 pairs of underwear. I'm not gonna pull them out. You can trust me. 2 like bikini swimsuits, and then 1 full turtleneck long sleeve for like surfing or anything that's like super active, or if we're in a place where like a bikini would be inappropriate to wear. I have 2 of these, they'll be headbands, you can wear them as bandeaus. I have 1 pair of thermal running gloves, 1 wool hat, 11 bralettes, bras, sports bras, they're all kind of in one category. No, 12, I'm wearing 1, because I hate bras, so. I think it's 12 pairs of socks. 1 of them is a pair of toe socks, and then another is a pair of wool socks. 1 emergency blanket,
From the
essentially.
marathon.
2 exercise bands, a crap ton of KT tape, because we had it, and I figure we're probably gonna be doing pretty active things, and our knees and ankles might thank us for having these.
And you do use packing cubes, right?
I do use packing cubes, yes, and Kyle does not.
I don't like packing cubes.
Yeah, I like being able to separate out my stuff, especially when we're in one place and I only need, this category of clothing or whatever.
But also, women's clothing is more squirrely and more like stringy, and there's like random pieces that flail about. I think if I was a woman, I would use packing cubes, but my clothes fold nicely. Hers do not.
Okay, so I have, in terms of like one-piece jumpers, I have 6. Yeah, 6. 1 thermal turtleneck, like a merino wool layer. This kind of, it's like a drapey thing. You can throw it over anything. And then 1 like nice black dress that just happens to fold up really nicely. 5 pairs of pants, but they're all quite different. So these are just kind of fun, but they're also semi-waterproof, so they will double as like my snow pants. 1 pair of like nice brown slacks, brown joggers, my trailhead pants, they're amazing for hiking, 1 pair of leggings, and then 1 pair of denim shorts. Over here we have shirts. I have 2 flannels. 1 is like mine and the other is really his. So like they're different in terms of how they wear on you. 2 tank tops, 1 long sleeve shirt, 4 t-shirts, and then like a drapey sweater thing. 5 pairs of workout shorts, 1 like running dress that would also just double as like a swimsuit layer or something like that. These are my Vessies. They're waterproof boots, but what I like is that they don't just look like rain boots. I can wear these casually and it's fine. My sneakers, which are actually barefoot shoes, one pair of Chacos, pair of flats, and my hiking boots. I also have flip-flops. Outer layers, I have my one puffy jacket, rain jacket, and then like a running zip-up thing. I think that's it.
Looks like it. Also in our suitcase that is not on our bed right now is our wellness kit. This has a bunch of our medications and things like ibuprofen if we need it. Another microfiber cloth and another cooling towel, lock in case we need a lock at a hostel. Our small Theragun, which is good for sore muscles. Our scale for our suitcases, which it has already come in handy because we're right at 50 pounds. Day bag, it's like a packable, it's got a fanny pack and a backpack in it for little day trips. Our chirp wheel to roll out our backs or our muscles at the end of the day, very important. Another emergency blanket that's actually comfortable for if we get stuck in an airport or if we're actually really cold and dying. And then we have two Foldies, which are full of, one of them is full of snacks and the other one is full of extra vitamins that we didn't want to get rid of when we left the States, but that we were like, we'll use them until they're gone and then we will have less stuff, which is nice. And then we also have our water filter straw, just in case we really need water and it's not drinkable where we're at. And now for things that are in our backpack. We've got our backpacks themselves, obviously, and we each have our water bottles and our wallet. I have two sunglasses because one's about to break and a pair of blue blockers, some screen wipes, which I need to use more often, a bunch of cables, charging cables, and just different kind of adapters for all the tech gear that we have. And then we have chapstick, Tide to Go stick, our stickers, other random self-care stuff, earplugs and eye covers for the plane, some straps for random cables that come loose, got those for Christmas. I'm carrying our passports and our international driver's permit. I just like to keep them together. My large charging pack, international converter, microphones, fan for when I get swamp ass on the plane, GoPro and batteries, my Insta360, our gimbal, the drone, and a bunch of just random attachments for all of those things. This isn't even all of them. There's more in there I just didn't want to take out. And my computer and computer charger. Also cash for different countries that we know that we're traveling to. My Rainfly and the tracker in case anything gets stolen. Oh, our SD card with all of our backup footage and our micro SD cards and stuff. I'm eventually going to get a better backpack because this is one of those cheap ones that you can buy for like $70 and it's already starting to fall apart. So happy day one of full-time travel. I got it about a year ago, but I haven't been using it because we haven't been traveling. But it's so heavy with all the tech gear in it that it's already starting to collapse.
Yeah, you need something that supports you better.
Yes. Oh, and I forgot to open this pouch. This is my earbuds, earphones. I have like 4 pairs of them for different reasons. In here is my cleaning supplies, little just miscellaneous things I don't need very often. That's my stuff.
Okay. So all of this up here is stuff that I generally on a travel day will carry in this fanny pack. What is in here changes based off of day to day. I have a bunch of hair ties, a sleep mask, hand sanitizer, 2 oils, one for headache and one for like immunity on guard, chapstick, poopery, more stickers, little tiny deodorant because it's good to have, floss. I carry 2 of our travel credit cards, gum, Element, some lotion, and then this is an alarm. If we ever feel unsafe or somewhere, I'll put this like on our backpack, and if you pull it, it makes a really loud noise and gets people attention. And then we move on. I have my computer and iPad, and they kind of back each other up. All of my jewelry will also go in my backpack. This is my grandmother's charm bracelet. A couple rings. I didn't travel with my real wedding ring, which is a little bit sad, but it wasn't worth the risk. 6 pairs of earrings and a long necklace, and then 1 short necklace. I have my camera. I have 1 pair of my actual glasses, blue blockers, sunglasses, and then my don't get car sick on the bus glasses. Let's see, I have 5 pens, a Tide to Go pen, multiple charge cables for my phone because I tend to leave them places. You never know when you need a flash drive, even if it's just to like print a PDF or something, it's good to have. Our tiny JBL speaker, this is water and sand proof. My temp drop, this is essentially my birth control. I sleep with it on my arm and it takes my temperature and I can kind of track my cycle. A ball for rolling out your feet, your calves, your shoulders, whatever. You never know when you need it. My charging box, our switch, because it's fun, universal adapter, computer charger, mouse, headphones, Kindle, and then I really like to write. He's okay with like journaling in his phone. I am not. So this is my like everything notebook. Like if I'm programming a workout for a client or something, I want to write it with my hand first. So that's what that's for. And then this is my actual journaling journal. And that's it.
Okay, so for toiletries, in my bag I have all of our, I guess, grooming supplies. And so I've got my trimmers, my razors that actually are your razors, and a pair of scissors because I'm doing cats' haircuts, my cologne, some good wipes for when we need to shower, but we don't have a shower.
Yeah.
Natural deodorant, soap bars, which we haven't used yet. And then we also have maybe too much of this. We need to get rid of maybe some of our shampoo and conditioner because we have like 3 shampoos and like 2 conditioners.
Honestly, we brought a lot of the stuff we just had at our house and we're like, okay, we'll kill it and then not replace it.
Yeah, so this will get lower as we go. We got some sunscreen and some bug spray and some other oils, lotions, some loofahs, and a comb, my toothbrush, and toothpaste. And everything else is cats.
Okay, so I have a makeup cloth, and then this is my makeup remover. For now, I have 3 of these. Some hair ties, a hair bow. I want to talk through my makeup because it will definitely evolve as we go. This is a cool little like brush thing, and it comes apart, and there's different brushes. So Alley-oop is the brand. Brought nail polish. It felt excessive, but then I was like, you know what? I'm happier with nail polish. So
And you haven't been able to use nail polish in like 5 years.
Yeah, because of shows. So I was like, I'm gonna have fun colors. I have this subtle beauty stack. I have these 2 foundations. They are vastly different colors, and they're not technically like foundations. They're kind of like moisturizer / sunscreen. So I have these 2 colors because I can blend them, you can kind of see, and they actually match my color. A blush, a concealer. This is a green stick for if we are on a filming day and have a horrible like pimple or something, the green helps counteract that. This is my menstrual cup. Okay, and then I have 2 lip stains and 3 mascaras. I think eventually I will end up just having brown, but for now, that's what I have. 2 different eyeliners. This is my favorite eyeliner of all time. One is auburn and one is purple or aubergine. Concealer, a brow pencil, brow gel. You come down here, sunscreen stick, 2 different chapsticks, another CBD balm. I keep one in my backpack, one in my toiletries, 1 perfume, moisturizer, which we're probably gonna kill and then buy something locally, and my deodorant.
Yeah, it's gonna be very interesting to see what we have after 6 months of travel.
Yeah,
so,
I think of all of our stuff, this is likely to be what evolves.
pared
the
down,
most.
yeah, I think it'll be pared down quite a bit.
Mm-hmm.
Even our clothes, I think, will pare down a little bit.
Yeah, really
Yeah.
fun. Cheers.
Cheers.
To full-time travel.
Take care.